Hello, welcome students. In the previous video we have already discussed about project system and about all the different phases which are used in the project execution we have discussed, and we have a chart here at our right side. So project direction, coordination and all these things. So together it is called as a project execution system. Now before so when we discuss about a project execution, we have to understand exactly what are all these things. So that is what we are doing in this particular video. In this video we will discuss about project direction. Actually, project direction means it's authority to channelize the activities of a project in a desired line. Means how the project has to be initiated, how it has to be executed. All these things are discussed in or mentioned or given in the project direction. Means it's say how the project has to be conducted. It is a guideline, like a guideline how the project has to be conducted. In the initial stages, the project line guidelines are provided by the project manager because others are not involved. Okay, it's a responsibility of the project manager to start up this project, initiate the project. We have discussed how or what steps he has to take and all these things. And regarding or based on the project manager's plannings and all, the directions are given when the project enters into the project production stage. These are directions how to execute a project, how the project has to be conducted. And whatever the directions are given by the project manager, according to that, other members will execute the project as per the prescribed project design. Now let us discuss about the project startup, the initial stages, and what the project manager will have in the initial stages to the workers who have to follow this. The project initiation will have a scope of the project work, and what is scope we have already discussed. Means what will be in what it will include in our project. All these things will be mentioned there. And also it will be specified what should be the result and what should be the completed work. That is what we call it as a goal, and on what basis the work is conducted. And also we have the project manager has to do the division of work, such as imported versus indigenous, departmental versus contract. So about these things we have discussed in the previous sections also. Then also work scheduling is also important, so that you can do it by packaging or a Gantt chart. And what should be the budget of the work, that also needs to be decided. And what systems or procedures are followed during the project in a project execution, that also will be maintained. Project coordination also work is also done. It is a part of the project execution that we are discussing in detail. And what should be the authority given to the different workers in the project. Then what should be the accountability of the work, so that we can consider the organization. What we have done organizational design, there it comes. Then the total control of the work, which we will discuss what is the control of the work in the future. So all these things we are discussing in the these things will be the part of the project direction. Suppose assume that the project should be successful. It cannot be handled or it cannot be successfully done by a single person like a project manager or anybody else. The success of the project is heavily dependent on teamwork. And all these teams, all these items from 1 to 10 what we have discussed should be executed in a proper way or completed with the involvement of the project participant, or else directives will appear authentic. That means if all these 10 things what is not discussed, if it is not executed with the proper involvement of the project participants, then project cannot be successful. And sometime what happens, will have a unnecessary invite opposition within the participants. So these are all the factors. So it is also very important for a executives or a project manager to have a project or have a or direct the project participants, and that is what we call it as a project direction. And thank you for watching this video.